This is our 1980 Avanti II. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around. We'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. And then there'll be some shots of the interior as well as under the hood with the car running. So we purchased the car here recently out of Aurora, Illinois. It's been in Illinois for quite a while, having traded hands a few times locally. The car was painted about 5 years ago from green to red. As it sits now, it presents extremely well. There's really just a couple little chips and things that you'll see later in the video, but overall, super clean. No dents or dings on the body, pretty impressive shape. The Mag 500 wheels are really nice, very minor signs of age, no curb rash or damage or anything like that. The Kumho tires are in really nice shape as well, look to be close to new. The DOT number is there in the listing. The glass is all clear and crack-free. I actually do believe it's the original motor in this car. It's a 350, and the engine number, which is there in the listing, decodes as late 70s, early 80s, which would be correct for this car. Light lenses are all clear and crack-free. Car does have the moonroof. While the motor's good, it's kind of out of whack, so it actually doesn't open the sunroof right now. The rear chrome bumper is mirror-like, close to new, whereas the front one shows a little bit of age. You can see these side mirrors do pop out. Sorry, side windows. So now here are all of the blemishes on the car. So if you look at the front bumper, you can just see a little bit of oxidation. Not quite new mirror-like, you know, like the rear is. There's a little nick in the middle of that wheel well, you can see there. Get down low. Scratch, couple chips down there on the driver rocker. Then right there, probably the most glaring spot on the car is oxidation of the window trim on the driver's side. The passenger side is better, but there's a good bit of oxidation there on the driver's side. Another little scratch there on the driver rear quarter. You can see the panel fitment is quite good all around. Doors open and close, nice and smooth. Really light scuff down there behind the passenger rear wheel. All the badges are in really nice shape. And there you can see how the window trim compares to the other side. Much better. And now onto the interior. There is no kicked open markings on the door panels, no damage or discoloring. The carpet isn't frayed, it's nice and plush. Not discolored anywhere. You can see the dash top is very nice. Just minor little signs of age, like the stainless, the polished surfaces. Super light scratches, nothing significant. All the interior lights do work, and there's quite a few of them. It was a factory air conditioning car, but the components were removed. They will come with the car in a box. Odometer does work, reads 72 and change. Not positive if that's actual, but do think it's likely. The gauges are all functional though, including the analog clock. You can see the vinyl seats here in really nice shape. They do both recline and fold forward. Condition is pretty consistent throughout the interior. Motorola radio. It does power on and light up, but there is no antenna, and it does not play music. Headliner's in nice shape there.